In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an AC condenser cooling fan on your Subaru Outback. This will be located on the front passenger side. Let's get started. Using a pair of clip pliers, remove the two clips for the air cowl. Put it off to the side. Remove the fan connector. There's going to be a little button right on top. We're going to pull up on that. After we pull up, pull the connector out. This should be attached to the fan. However, ours is broke. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two bolts for the fans. Let the fan fall backwards. We're going to pull it straight up while pushing our upper radiator hose back. Remove the fan. Install the fan. Get it down through the radiator hose. Install the two pins in the bottom. They'll click into place. You won't be able to move the fan side to side. Pull the top in. Get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the cowl piece. Install the clips. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.